to show you is how you can adjust the default stage and pipeline that a newly created deal goes to inside of HubSpot. So I have a contact here. I click add deal, and you'll notice that it immediately goes into the sales pipeline and bid scheduled. But I have a marketing pipeline that is in front of, or should happen before, sales pipeline, and then it moves into the sales pipeline once we've qualified the lead. So the way that you adjust that is you go to your settings here, and you want to go to objects, and then to deals, and then pipelines. And then here, over on the side where you have you're selecting your pipelines, you can actually click reorder pipelines, and I can move my marketing in front of the sales. So by moving it up, now the first stage in my marketing pipeline, or I guess I should say the first stage in whichever pipeline is at the top, that's going to be the default stage that deals get placed into. So if I come back to here, I create a new deal, you'll notice now it's in the marketing pipeline deal stage. So hopefully that was helpful. This was a really exciting, very minor detail, but really excited when I figured this one out.